I'm so happy with my results. I'm so happy with the confidence that I've always had in me that I've been afraid to outwardly express. I'm Casey Matson. I had a mommy makeover with Dr. Bowen. We did fat grafting to the breast, lipo of my bra line, the flanks, and tummy tuck with muscle repair. Instead of buying clothes to hide my body, I'm buying clothes to celebrate my body. I never had the opportunity to love my body truly. Ever since high school, I've always viewed myself being overweight. I've gone through Weight Watchers, dieting. I've gone through working out 5 days a week. After my pregnancy, my body, and after just every diet, your body recoils back to where it was if you cannot stay stringent. I had a hard time with this decision originally because I felt like I could do it on my own, and I lost 70 pounds before the surgery. I had a very, very smooth recovery process. Day one, I was up walking around, I had no pain. My recovery was absolutely phenomenal. People that have gone to other places are having harder recoveries than I did, and my pain was non-existent almost. Yeah, I could feel the muscle repair, and the muscle repair lasts for several weeks, that you feel that as your body's trying to get used to stretching and just getting used to the new norm. But pain from my incision or my drains, non-existent. From my fat grafting, non-existent. I had tenderness from the lipo, which is to be expected. Things that I liked about my consultation with Dr. Bowen was I was on the fence on whether I should get implants versus fat grafting, and we weighed the pros and cons. On the fence of if I wanted to do implants, because I've never really wanted to do implants. He told me, don't let someone talk you into it. And I love the fact that a surgeon is not pushing a product onto me. I've already trusted him, but it improved my trust with him, that he's not here trying to make me do something that I'm not 100% on board with. It's really nice to have. Dr. Bowen he's quiet, but he's professional and very gentle. And he always brings women into the rooms with you as he's doing an exam and talking about what procedures you want to have done. And so there's always that comfort of you're not in the room with him by himself if that makes you uncomfortable. I work in the medical field. A body is a body to me, but to other people, they're a little bit more timid and not so open with their skin, and he wants you as the client to be extremely comfortable with the setting that you're in. Shopping for clothes has been a game changer.